Inafuko sada Osetigo. Osetigo kana wagagwa Osetigo kifeni ineseku. Biafran Liberation Army has dismantled 4 costly armored tanks of the zoo terrorists who came to invade Biafran territory. Asemonyenu oziewanne obalase onye no omegini oziewanne makana enwe ka esi wee kwu ihe a and okwu ekwuru nwe ka esi wee kwu mana ndị kwuru egeghị ntị ọfụma mgbe fa na-ekwu ya ka nsị ka nkwuo eketa. Yes, they have dismantled 4 armored tanks cost millions of dollars. We have said it before that Biafran is not a place where you train terrorists. It's not like the zoo where you have repented terrorists. A Boko Haram who has been known for always they captured them. Instead of them to send them to their ancestors, they did what? They rehabilitated them, put them back into the military. Yes, these atrocities happened in our very eyes, and some people went and voted APC. A shame. Ogosigina be ready now. These atrocities happened. You know, these politicians know how to use the Nigerian people. But Biafrans, we will never ever vote for somebody who is evil. Said this is an abomination. Onye buru nwanne gị bucha nwanne gị. Iweje kpọta esi edalụ ngwa teach yakwa back to the military ka ogbuezi ndị ọzọ wee gaba. But we cannot allow Biafra wee ebe a na-edobe ndị terrorists, and now it has cost them a lot. More is going to cost them. I will say it again, we do not condone, but we condemn. We do not condone the killing of soldiers. It's not allowed. We will not accept it. But we will at the same time condemn that soldiers who were supposed to come and protect Biafrans will come into Biafran territory and do what? Be killing Biafrans. We therefore condemn it and condemn it to full force. Manaketa, egwu na-eti n'eke ga-eru ore. Orie oruo nkwọ ruo afọ. Maka na ezi gị jide nke iji ogosi na ife iji amaka. We must be committed with all force, with every formidable energy. And that is why we must be committed in doing the things of the Creator consistently, consecutively, and pushing it to the very end. And that is why Biafran actualization must be looked into to consider facts. More facts, more facts, and more facts. So I must say this again. When the whole gospel is finally spread, let's again look into what should be looked into. And that's organizing this very energy to the last order. It's a win-win plus. Nothing will spoil. Hey! Again, abatu genti. You know, so genti. We have 10 times ahead of the zoo, but they don't understand. Read with me with what Mazen Simon Eber said, so that I will now explain to you, because I made a video yesterday. The worst part for Nigeria is that we have gone very, very far in the Biafran liberation. Before they will come close us, we have declared and defended Biafra. This is their nightmare now, Arumelo. Cousin? Koye kwuru okwu ahụ ekwukwa ya ọzọ ka nne ife o kwuru. Hey, ụmụ Chineke, ka m kenekwa unu. Forgive my manners. Let me greet you as usual. Ọ bụ na tata bụ ụtụtụ na nke gị, ọ bụ na nkịta bụ ụtụtụ, asị gị Chineke gọzie ụtụtụ gị, ọ bụ na efife Chineke gọzie efife gị, ehihie gị, ọ bụ na abalị Chineke gọzie anyasị gị. Ngwa ka m buje unu ebe m kwesịrị ibuje unu tata. The Biafran restoration has taken another shape, and this very shape is very, very significant. Listen and pay a very close attention. It is very, very significant, and we have now emerged in the land of the victories. There's no two ways about it. I told you that 4 victories happened just within 24 hours that Simon Eber came back to the base. 4 victory. And several announcements will begin to happen from left to right, right to left. And you will begin to see that we are now headed to that very point where the zoo cannot catch up. Hey, where CNN has taken up the case, another news outlet, I even saw a video of the Al Jazeera where they are talking about it now. It doesn't matter who talks about it. Do you know what matters more? What matters more is that we are now facing that very point where all of us must agree to the final order that Biafra is bound to happen. It's going to take a little time, yes. But will it happen? Yes. That is just it. The game has changed. And several times people will begin to realize that this game that changed is more obvious than before. What you do not know, you will not find you. 4 victories recorded within a twinkle of an eye. Just on one travel. 4 victories. And before we are not going to be revealing secrets. We're only going to tell you what everybody needs to know. Even the enemies needs to know. But you see that main secret. Let them go and ask what Nnamdi Kanu did during his time, before he was kidnapped by this zoologic. Let them go and ask. They did everything to find out. They were wondering what kind of man is this. And that, and when we make video, they say we are exposing too much. We are not even saying anything, because we are not even one of the people inside the secret room. So it is what is left for everybody, what everybody can say. That is what we are telling you people. And Mazi Simon Eber has revealed that before the zoo will catch up, Biafran has been declared and defended. You don't see, you need to, let me explain something to you. You need to understand this thing in a very, very clear fact. Do you know the kind of effort that Mazi Simon Eber has put in place? Let's even talk about the kind of things that Nnamdi Kanu has put in place. Let's figure it out. And by so doing, we will now come to the final declaration of Biafra. The Biafran restoration must come in 2 ways. And in that very way, everybody must understand that we are faced with great attitude. And after this declaration, saboteurs are really enjoying now. But I can tell you that I see the coming down of these evil men who have held Nigeria for too long. Their days are numbered. I was saying it many years ago. Some of you thought we were joking. We didn't see Tinubu coming. We didn't see Buhari coming. But they are coming. But don't worry, it is their time. The days of judgment is fast approaching. And that day will be like a daydream. Ụmụ Chineke, ka Chineke gbaa ya ume, ka Chineke gosi ya ife o ji wee wuru Chukwu. Mana ife na-agwa unu bụ gịnị? Na enwere okwu ekwulu wee sị, onye jere ije abalị wee nọta amala ife na-eche, tibọsị oge eji ama nnọta. Ngwanụ onye nụ yozie nwanne.